Next you are going to solve your problem. Okay, next you are going to solve a problem by using calculator. Okay, so first you want to, if in the exam if they give the quadratic model, okay, the first step is you want to write the equation. Okay, that is that is the model form. Okay, so here the model form is y is equal to a plus bx plus es square. Okay, so in the first step you want to write y is equal to a plus bx plus es square. Okay, that is model form. Okay, second step is you want to write the normal equation. Okay, like this. Okay, in the quadratic model we are having three parameter, so there will be three normal equation. Okay, the first step is you want to write the model form. Okay, second step is you want to write the normal equation. Okay, like this. Third step you want to write the matrix. Okay, based on the normal equation you want to write the matrix, that is A matrix and B matrix, okay, and alpha matrix. Okay, and the fourth step is you want to write all the values of the matrix. Okay, so these all the values can be obtained by the calci. Okay, see here in the matrix we are having summation of y, summation of xy, summation of x squared, and summation of x, and summation of x squared, and summation of x cube, and summation of x4. Okay, so these all the values we can get from the calci. Okay, calculator. See here. Okay, so these all the matrix value we can get from the calculator. Okay, like this. Okay, by pressing shift plus 1. Okay, so we can get them we can get directly from the calculator. Okay, all these values. Okay, so after that you fill all the values, okay, in the matrix. Okay, at last in the fifth step you write B inverse into A. Okay, alpha is equal to B inverse into A. Okay, so now the parameter value is A, B and C. Okay, that is so these parameter value we can get directly from the calculator. Okay, see here, on pressing shift plus 2, okay, you can get directly from the calculator. Okay, all the parameter value A, B, C. Okay, so fifth step is you want to write the B inverse into A. Okay, so A, B, C, like that. Okay, and last step is you want to write the model. Okay, fitted model. Okay, so fitted model is y is equal to A coefficient, that is 48.57 and 0.402x and 0.00114 x squared. Okay, so in the last fifth step you want to write all the parameter value in the model. Okay, between the fourth step and fifth step, okay, you can find B inverse. Okay, you can put B inverse value. Okay, so B inverse you can find either by formula or by calculator. Okay, so we can find the B inverse by calculator. Okay, so this is optional. Okay, so between the fourth step and fifth step, okay, you won't write the B inverse. Okay, so it is if you know you can write. Okay, or else you leave. Okay, so B inverse is optional. Okay, so B inverse you can find by formula or by calculator. Okay, so first step is you won't write the model, and second step is you want to write the normal equation. Okay, and third step is you want to write the matrix. Okay, fourth step is you want to fill all the values of the matrix. Okay, so the fourth step is you want to fill all the values of the matrix, and fifth step is you want to write the parameter value. Okay, and last step is you want to write the fitted model value. Okay, that's all. Thank you.